Toxic Superfoods, Rovers. Hello viewers, today we are unmasking the Toxic Superfoods book, a summary by Dr. Amanda Wells. In recent years, there has been a surge in the popularity of superfoods, with books and articles touting their miraculous health benefits. However, amidst this health-conscious frenzy, the book, Toxic Superfoods, by Dr. Amanda Wells has raised eyebrows and sparked controversy. In this video, we provide a summary of the book's key points, shedding light on its critical perspective on the superfood trend. Reevaluating superfoods. Dr. Wells argues that the term superfood has been overused and that not all foods labeled as such are inherently healthy. Many superfoods are, in fact, high in certain compounds that can be harmful in excess, such as oxalates, lectins, or goitrogens. Dangers of overconsumption. The book highlights that consuming superfoods in excessive quantities can have adverse health effects. For example, excessive consumption of kale, a popular superfood, can lead to kidney stones due to its high oxalate content. Nutrient bioavailability. Dr. Wells emphasizes the importance of understanding nutrient bioavailability. Some superfoods contain compounds that hinder the absorption of essential nutrients, rendering their supposed health benefits less effective. GMO and pesticides. The book raises concerns about the use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and pesticides in the production of some superfoods. Dr. Wells argues that these practices can introduce harmful substances into our diets. Allergic reactions. Toxic Superfoods also addresses the potential for allergic reactions. People may have allergies or sensitivities to certain superfoods, and consuming them can lead to adverse health effects. Individual variability. The book stresses that the impact of superfoods can vary greatly from person to person. What is a superfood for one individual may not have the same benefits for another, making it essential to consider individual factors when incorporating them into one's diet. Balancing the diet. Dr. Wells advocates for a balanced diet rather than an excessive focus on a handful of superfoods. She believes that a diverse and balanced diet is more likely to provide all the necessary nutrients without the potential drawbacks of superfood overconsumption. Call for research. One of the key takeaways from the book is the need for more research and transparent information regarding the health effects of superfoods. Dr. Wells encourages both consumers and scientists to investigate and question the claims made about superfoods. So friends, Toxic Superfoods is a thought-provoking book that challenges the prevailing notion of superfoods as universally beneficial. Dr. Amanda Wells presents a critical perspective on these popular health foods, emphasizing the importance of moderation, individual differences, and balanced nutrition. While the book may not dismiss superfoods entirely, it encourages readers to approach them with caution and a better understanding of their potential risks. In an age of health fads and trends, it serves as a reminder that not all that's labeled super is necessarily super for everyone. So friends, if you want more information, visit Wikiaware website, and if you like this useful video, like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.